Hello guys, welcome back to my Olympus Mons channel, and today I've come up with another video that tells you the solution about this one app type of Hitapp. So that is a web page useful or not? PALP. So let's go to the solution. So first query is, are IRA distributions considered income? So you can see this web page, a mirror tried. It's very non-web page, so it's absolutely useful. Yes, the page has information that could be useful to users. So select yes. Second, BMW 320i. So obviously this Carvana, this dealer is selling all those BMW uh, cars. So obviously this is absolutely useful. Second, hotels at the Riverwalk, San Antonio, Texas. Obviously Hilton for this day, this is the hotel name, so obviously it is providing good information. So select yes. Sarah and Walker for the real estate. So Orchard is a real estate company. You can see this buy and sell, buy at home, sell a home. So obviously it is a real website, real estate website. So select yes. Alpine Hardware Premium Solid Year Style Bar Handle Pull. So this is one Monroe. It's a store that sells all these pull handles. Okay, it's an online store. So yes, select yes. MBL baseball. I select no, but it is actually MBL MLB shop. So select yes, not no. I was wrong in this. So be careful. Do not select no, select yes. Next. Okay, so I think that's all.